Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make pinto beans in a slow cooker with some smoked sausage, smoked ham hock, along with some other meat. And I serve this with rice and some honey butter dinner rolls. So if you guys want to see how I put this together, keep watching. Alright guys, the first thing I'm doing here is showing you my pinto beans that I had soaking overnight. This is a total of 2 pounds of pinto beans, and you guys can see they have swollen up beautifully, soaked up a lot of that water, so they are nice and soft. So what I'm going to do is give these a good rinse and then get them into my slow cooker that I have lined with a crock pot liner. A lot of people keep asking me, oh, what are the liners for? Guys, they just make your cleanup so much easier after your food is done. They are actually built for slow cookers. So I'm going to give the beans or spread the beans out a little bit before I go in with my onion. I'm adding in 1 medium chopped sweet Vidalia onion. I'm going to give that a good mix, and then I'm going to start to add in my meat. Now I'm going to add in 1 nice size bone-in ham hock, and then I'm going to go in with 1 piece of salt pork for added flavor. I really don't eat that. I just like to add it in my beans again for added flavor, but a lot of people do eat it, but there's just a lot of fat on there, and I just use it for the flavor. So now I'm adding in my boneless ham hock, and yes, I did buy this like this where they actually cut the bone out of the ham hock and there's nothing but meat. And I only do this because I like to add in a lot of meat into my beans, because in a little bit here you guys are gonna see me add in my smoked sausage. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spread that out, and then I'm gonna go in with the chicken stock. Now, I did not mix up my chicken stock this time. I'm using a 32-ounce box of chicken stock, and this is with sodium. And that's pretty much, other than the salt and pepper that I'm going to add in later, of all the seasonings that I'm going to add in here, because all of that smoked meat that I added in here definitely have a lot of flavor. And I'm just going to top it off with water, and I'm going to add the water until all the meat is completely covered. And then we're going to cook this on low for a total of 7 hours. It may not take that long, which I don't think it will, but I'm gonna cook it for about 7 hours on low. And yeah, here we are 3 hours after that, because now I'm gonna go in with the salt and pepper. Now, I did not add that in at the beginning, because again guys, when you try to cook your beans and you go in with seasonings, just a FYI, that seasoning will make your beans seize up and make the cook time a lot longer. So it's best to add the seasonings after your beans are, you know, halfway cooked. So here we are here after the complete cook time. It only took about 6.5 hours, guys, for my beans to cook, and you can actually tell it is definitely done. Look at that ham hock. Those things take forever to cook, and you're gonna see that bone literally fall right out of that ham hock. I just lifted it up and it just came right out. Look at that. So yeah, we are definitely done. So I'm gonna thicken up that stock with some cornstarch slurry. And I usually just like to have that sometimes by itself, because I know I'm going to have a lot of leftovers. I will take some of that syrup, spread it over my bread, and that syrup, Lord, that stock right there, and I will pour it over my bread. And yeah guys, that is dinner. So here it is. Here I made some honey butter muffins and some rice to go with our beans, and that's pretty much it. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you how I make my pinto beans in the slow cooker. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.